guys, and welcome back to Crown with Coils, where you learn about the best tips and tricks to grow your natural hair. So in today's video, I want to show you exactly how I trim my natural hair. There's actually two words I like to use: trimming my hair and dusking my hair. Now today, looking at my hair, I'm thinking we might have to do a bit of both. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I just want to take you through all the tools that I use to trim my natural hair. So firstly, I always use a pair of hair scissors, specifically hair scissors because I only use them for my hair. As you can see, it's got a sharp end there to trim nice and pristine and clear. And then I've got some crocodile clips, or butterfly clips as some people like to call them, and some more hair clips there just to help, hold my hair out of the way when I'm trimming. So important, guys, a fine tooth comb to comb through the hair ends before trimming. And then I've just got a wide tooth detangling brush there. All equipment, I'll make sure I link it all below, guys, so you guys can head over to my Amazon store and purchase anything that you need. So here I'm just clipping my hair out of the way, parting it properly, and clipping it back so that I can get into each section properly. I like to trim in, not, big sections, but fairly reasonable size, not too small. So I'm just getting that first part in there. And once that first parting is in place, we are ready and good to go to start combing through. So like I said before, I like to comb through the ends thoroughly just before I trim, because that way, you can make sure that as many knots as possible are kind of combed out, and then you're ready to trim. Just making sure I comb it out thoroughly there. You see there's quite a few knots and tangles in there, but the smaller the tooth of the comb, the better, because then you can really make sure that you comb through all of those snags. I'm just showing you. So this is what my ends look like now that they've been thoroughly combed out. Okay, guys, so I think after kind of like feeling the ends and seeing, what they're like, now's a perfect time to kind of measure up and clip off that bit that you just don't want. The bit that's feeling rough, raggedy, and just needs to go, basically. So here we go. Just clipped off that small bit there. And then I'm just literally showing you, it's so tiny, that little piece of hair, and the comb just glides through the ends so beautifully. Yes, I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. And then literally, once you've kind of like combed it out and you're happy and the comb just goes through your strands without any pulls or snags, you can literally just twist up the end, and then you're good to go to do and move on to the next point. Alright guys, as you can see, we are about halfway done. We have all of this section to do still, but we will get there slowly. But well, we actually did this section earlier, which is good. Should even go on the other side, to be honest. But yeah, we are getting there one step closer. So yeah, let's get back into the video.
Chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, don't eat. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, don't eat. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed sold in, say it again.
Okay guys, so we are about 3/4 of the way through. We've done a whole half on this section, looking lovely and luscious. And then of course we've done this back section, this back half here. And again, as you can see, this is looking really good because the ends are not, you know, completely twisted to the, my hair's not completely twisted to the end, sorry. Yeah, see that little bit there, might need trimming, but we can do that at the end. So yeah, that's a good sign because that means that it's trimmed pretty well. You see some of them are even unraveling. So yeah, last section and then we're done. Hey guys, so I'm not sure if you just got that last bit, so I thought I'd just slow down the video a little bit for you. But so I put the comb through my hair, everything seemed fine apart from one little snag. So I went back in and instead of just cutting, I looked through, and I think it's a really important point. Make sure you're looking through your strands to see, you know, what it is that's maybe making it snag, because sometimes it's not, you know, the whole hair that needs to come off, which is why we like to dusk and just look for the parts that are causing issues, because it could just be one strand, and once you cut it off and you pop the comb through, and you can just comb through with ease. So yeah, just a tip there. So there guys, there you have it. My hair is completely trimmed, or should I even say dusked and trimmed all over. So all what I would do at this point is literally any extra bits that I can see, I would just trim them off like this, like just go through and see if there's any parts that are just straggly or dangling, kind of like here. If you can see my hair's pulling, what I'd normally do is just maybe trim it there. In fact, actually no, I'm gonna go in. If you can see, there's actually a knot here. So what I'm gonna do is actually go back in. This is very common because it's, especially when you do it in large chunks. I'm gonna actually go back in and I'm just gonna trim and cut out that knot just so you guys can see. This is the knot. Okay, and there you have it guys. My hair is completely trimmed and refreshed. So I will just quickly unravel all of these and then you can kind of see what the final product looks like. Okay guys, and there we have it. Final video, trimmed and dust hair. And just to show you, this is how much hair we took off. So, you know, not a lot compared to the beginning. My hair feels a lot better, and it's so much easier to put the comb through my hair, which is what I love, and it makes styling so much quicker and so much easier. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and definitely if you want to find out any other tips, definitely make sure you subscribe and stay tuned to this channel, Crown with Coils. See you next time.